Jason, what do you got there?
Paying the bills.
You like the crinkly envelope? That one's fun. Is there any money in there? Oh, there's noises in there. You can have that one back. Do you want some 3-cent stamps? Uh-oh. That one went bye-bye. Hi.
That one.
That's my car bill. Aw, that's for me.